Hi, it's Brian, back with another 3D print. So today I needed a case for my Goggles 3 FPV goggles from DJI, and I don't have anything for it other than to go in like a larger bag, so I'm just looking for a case that just fits just the goggles. I found this case on Makerworld called DJI Goggles 3 Protective Case, hardware free by Digital 365. I imported it into Bambu Studio, and the only thing I did to modify it other than change the filament colors is I added the DJI logo flush as a modifier to the bottom, so it'll emboss a white colored DJI logo on the lid. So, all right, I think we're about ready to go. I've already sliced it. Just the lid's gonna take me 3 hours and 57 minutes. Let's do it, and we'll check it out when it's ready. All right, it's about 4 hours later. Let's open it up and check it out. Cool. Let's give it a flex. Oh, it's stained on the bottom. Looks like a little defect happened on the bottom there. That's okay. Sometimes it happens. All right, it's been another 4 hours and 45 minutes. Let's open it up and take a look. Very cool. Let's give it a flex. Cool. All right, let's put it together. So I've got the top half and the bottom half, and it looks like very cool. Cool.